So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a house/workroom tour. This will not include my closet or my bedroom. That will be in part 2 that you can watch whenever that's up. I won't be showing every single detail of my house because my family are here, so I'm not going to film them. But I can show you guys some of it and some of my favourite parts. And I'm going to start off right here in my workroom, so let's just get into it. This is my workroom as you walk in. I have this massive table. This was DIY'd through a wardrobe door. So this used to go on these wardrobes, but we made it into a desk type thing. And I won't show you guys, but these tuck in, so this can flatten right down onto the wall so that it's no longer there. But most of the time I leave it up because I'm packaging stuff or whatever. Above there I have got my little display of chokers, and I fucking love this display. I mean, how unique is it? This head I got from a vintage shop and I just think it's so cool, and I spray painted it, and then I also spray painted this baby, of course. Underneath here is where I just store a bunch of shit that I don't want out. This is all random stuff that I need to go through. This is my boxes, and this is what's going up for sale today. So yeah, I've got all of these to put up. They're all pre-packaged, which is what I've sat and done. So I have my bin. Let's just ignore my bin. And I have my desk. It's very plain, but sometimes that's easier. And I'm actually thinking of up here putting loads of photos of customers and influencers that I've had wear my things, anything like that. I think I might put on this wall, and maybe like with a TV. I'm not sure yet, but we definitely need something here, am I right? I have my little Christmas tree, and this I got for my birthday, and it's meant to be what you keep your pins in, but it's also like a voodoo doll, so I just keep it here because I thought it's kind of cute. I have some plants back there, which are dying. And then I have this little setup that I did. I'm such a DIY queen. I balanced one of the rails on here so that I could have 2 things here. This is all of my stock that's currently on my website. Devil horns, a couple of backpacks, and then some of these bags. None of these will be restocked. None of these will be restocked. So definitely check them out. They're all really affordable as well. And then I move over to my little bookshelf type thing. So this is where all of my receipts are. All of my postage receipts are all in here. And I have more at the back. And then I have my business cards. In here I have stickers, some more stickers in here, and some of the earrings. And then more business cards and my little pouches. And I love this pot so much. It's just adorable. I also recently painted this, and I've just put these like foam things that I got from Hobbycraft on there. My other DIY. I have no idea how this is staying up, but I managed to balance it so that I could put some of my chokers there. And then these are also on my website. And so is this. So I just thought this was kind of like a little shop setup. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. Here I have all of my random sewing stuff, the zips in there. This is for when I make chokers, and I have some of my accessories, pins and everything in there. I think material in here and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of like some of my sewing equipment. And I then have my packaging setup, which I was inspired by someone on Instagram. I'm not sure who it was that did it, but I just thought it's really cute. So I have my mailers up here, and then another plant here that's probably dying. Some wrapping paper because it's Christmas soon. My duct tape, and some more business cards that don't fit on there. Then some more of my packaging. I put pretty much everything in these pouches, so it's really handy to have them out, and it also really helps me to know what I've got left and when I need to order more stuff. And then I have my mailers down here depending on what size or whatever. And then in here is some more packaging stuff that I keep away because it's messy. And then I have my Royal Mail letter thing. This is usually covered in trousers. but a lot of them have sold and I have more on the way, so those will be hung up soon. But this is where I keep my material in this Playboy. I don't really know what it is, but I just think it was a really cute way to keep material in. And then in here, more material, and then in here is all of my like paperwork and stuff like that. And then up here is a mess, and I decided to use these to cover up this part because it's kind of messy and it doesn't really look cute, but this kind of hides it. So I have all of my boxes in here of stock, and in here, Sanrio bags for sale. And guys, let me explain this one to you. So throughout until Christmas, or until stocks last, for my business, I am doing a offer where if you spend £100, you get a free backpack. I know, it seems like I'm scamming, I'm not. For example, if you spend £100, you could get a free backpack like this. So this is a My Melody one. It will be mystery unless you want to request it, then just email me or put it in your notes or something so I can see it before I package it, and just say, hey, if you have any Kuromi, I want that. But yeah, it will be Kuromi, My Melody, Hello Kitty, Cinema Roll, anything like that. Full-size backpacks, completely free. I'll just put it in your package. If you don't want that, let me know, but I think most people would want that. And then if you spend £60, you get a free plush purse. Just make sure that you don't miss out. What the fuck? It's like the best deal in the world. You're getting 2 for 1. But I just thought for Christmas, I have old stock that I need gone, and obviously it means I will lose out on a shit ton of money, but I want to do fun deals. And yeah, out of my workroom, we have the hallway. Please someone buy these, I need these gone. They are so big. In here is just like a storage cupboard, it's really handy. And then we have the main bathroom that no one uses, but how cool is this chandelier? And it's huge in here. Hello, I'm here. This is a massive mirror, 2 sinks, the toilet of course, hello, and then the shower. But yeah, it's really pretty in here. We then have in here is like the guest room. It's kind of random in here, but it's just for anyone that comes to stay over. And they also have an ensuite in here. Really nice. This was actually the room that I stayed in when we first moved in here because I didn't have a room. So it's nice in here, I liked it in here. This room, it's a spare room. I don't really know what we're doing with it. It's like a small little room, so it's pretty boring at the moment, but it's just got Christmas stuff and storage, so look at this. Now, I don't want to be too annoying and show everyone's rooms, but I really wanted to show this part of my mum's room. I fell in love with this room once I saw this. It is a huge walk-in closet. I mean, it's messy because it's my mum's room, but it's just a huge closet. It's amazing. Unfortunately, it wouldn't fit all of my stuff anyway, even if I wanted it to. But yeah, I had to show you guys that. Let's go downstairs. I probably won't be talking too much in this bit because my parents are around, but I will still show you. So in here is our living room. It's a mess in here. This is just like the cozy room. But yeah, and then you walk through here. And this is my mum's sewing room. But she's got like this pink sofa. How cute is this? And then loads of pictures up. All of me. It's a really, really bad mess in here right now. But I'm still gonna try and show you guys. This is leftover from my birthday and we still haven't got a proper dining table yet, but it's still a mess. But yeah, you need to stop barking. Now I'm going to show you guys outside, and I won't show you around the whole garden, but I need to show you one part that we're getting to. So I completely forgot, it's the school's lunchtime, so it's so fucking loud, but I'm still going to try and show you guys the garden. I don't know what you can hear, it's not usually this loud, but of course at lunchtime it is for like a good half an hour, and obviously being out in the garden you can hear it, usually inside you can't, so we're just going to have to blank that out. This is the garden, it's really cute. There's the cat, I don't know if you can see him. Walk around into one of the best parts of the house. So we have a pool. Obviously the pool cover is on right now, but it's huge in here. And then we have the bathroom changing rooms in here. I don't even want to touch anything in here because there is so many spiders, it's insane. But yeah, we have a pool. I know, it's fucking insane. It's kind of hard to comprehend. Oh, we have a swimming pool, but it's kind of just one of those things that you kind of just get used to it after a while. It's hard to believe, it just feels like you're on holiday. But yeah, this is the pool. You might see me in here occasionally, but it's winter right now, so it's too cold. And something that we're actually planning on doing, which I won't say too much about, but over here roughly, we're gonna get, hopefully, it's really expensive, so we have to look at how much it costs because we might not be able to afford it, but I really want to get a gym built because there's a lot of space at the back of the swimming pool that just, there's nothing there and there's no sunlight that hits it. It was kind of built in a really weird place. So I said, well, I need a gym, so why don't we get a gym built on the side of the pool, and that'd be great to rent it out as well. People love a gym and a pool, so hopefully that will be happening, but if it ever does, it will be ages yet. But if it does, I can give you guys like workout routines. Not that anyone wants them. But I think I'm gonna end this video here because if I go back outside, it's too loud. And I do just want to say, I didn't show my grandma's part of the house, so my grandma lives with us, but I didn't want to go in and show her stuff because that's her stuff. But yeah, I just showed some of my favorite parts of the house and my work room, and if you really want to see my closet and my bedroom, keep an eye on my channel because that will be the next video that I post probably. So yeah, keep an eye out and I'll be posting that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. It's finally here, the room tour is finally here. So if this video does well, watch my next one. I love you.